Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CAPR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price had a very nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was just yesterday, and now you look at where the price is up here, any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very nice move on the day. But that does lead now to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of kind of knee-jerk reaction? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that level is down here at the $1.40 mark. Why is the $1.40 so important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. What do I mean by that? Why is that so important? Well, I mean, let's just stop and think about it. I'm assuming I kind of insult your intelligence when I say that if the price were to break below $1.40 and then continue to the downside, I mean, think about what that's doing. I mean, it's literally putting the price right back in that range where the price just broke out of. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price does something like this, where it pulls back to down around that area, and then after it pulls back, just starts to go sideways, and then works its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down here. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying the phrase make progress as once more $1.40. What about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers were hanging out at, main level seems to be right up here at $1.53. I realize the price did go a little bit higher than that, but there was a couple of instances where the price didn't quite hit that high. So I'm just splitting the difference, and we'll call $1.53. Moral of the story, though, is that the price had a really nice move today. And as long as the price continues to build higher bases going forward, then everything else will continue to take care of itself, and an overall uptrend will be constructed. So yeah, let's see how next week plays out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.